Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you all and welcome to the channel. In this extremely short video, I would like to share with you another method by which you can create arrays and populate them instantly. I forgot to remove this from the previous lecture. And without any delay, let us start. So if you recall, the creation of arrays that we covered, or the creative manners by which you can create an array, were two. Firstly, you create the array using its constructor like so, set the size, and then you start assigning values to it manually like so. I will set it to 3 for convenience. Then index 1 is 2, and then array at index 2 is equal to 3. Or the second method was as follows: int array is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here is the third method that I discovered, which may play a role when we discuss arrays with respect to reflection. So that is why I wanted to cover this before I forget, because I tend to forget a lot. Here is the third method. It is similar to this and this, so it combines the two. Int array, so far we have the same, is equal to new int, but leave the constructor empty, and after the constructor, open and close the curly braces, set the number through this portion here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the number here is 5 because of this. So it detects what you placed here and calculates that the number of elements stored within this array are 5. So that is the third technique that you can use to create or instantiate an array object. And that is it with regards to this video. I hope this lecture was helpful and beneficial to you all. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Be safe, take care, and peace be upon you all. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.